Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just going to be basically how I achieve a big curly fro. So this is just, I want to say a 3 to 4 day old, what is it called? 3-strand twist out. I'm starting to like 3-strand twist outs more than actual 2-strand twist outs because first I get a little bit more elongation. I'm tired of having puffy roots and then curly bottom. Like it's weird. It's weird how my hair is acting right now. I'm at that awkward long to short hair stage. So I'm starting to do more stretched out styles. Not a completely dry hair, but 90% dry hair, stretched hair, and I'm loving the results. Like, having a curly little concoction going on. So, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking and just go through and just show you the process of me achieving a curly fro. Normally the hair gets way bigger faster, but my curls were so defined, and with the weather, my hair was not rising to the occasion. So that is how I get this big curly fro, like on an old twist out. This is the most defined, not the most defined, but the more defined. I can get a big fro like a braid out on like an old twist out, but to get this curl, like, cause I still have a lot of definition. Like on this side it's mostly frizz, but you still see like the curls in the back. That back is killing me. It's more stretched out than the rest on this side. And then on this side, it just holds a curl better on this side for some reason. You can see like even right here, and then in the back. Okay, so I'm giving you guys a 360 view. I'm kind of feeling myself. So yeah, that is my process. My hair is still really soft. I did, as you saw towards when I got to the middle, I did spray water like on my ends just so they're a little bit more easier to work with and to play with a little bit. But yeah, my hair is still really moisturized, still really soft, and I can really just rock this for like a day or two, and then it's wash day. Everybody loves wash day. Oh, stay tuned for an actual wash day video. I did try something a little different that I'm trying out in that video just to see if I like it, to kind of get like a more stretched out style in the end. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed, what are you waiting for? And also feel free to comment down below any ideas, any video ideas you want to see me do, any products you want me to try out, and I will try them out as soon as I'm able to. Once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.